Hey there, everybody. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to do a quick update on the California storm situation. Oftentimes, when there's really bad storms throughout the U.S., the federal government will step in and not only provide monetary relief, right, and support and supplies for the state and its residents, but they also give you some reprieve on filing deadlines when it comes to taxes and other things like that. And so that's what they've done here. California, for those of you watching that live there, you're obviously aware of this. For those of you that are not in California, you're following the news. They've been just absolutely getting battered by storms one after the other, and there's really no end in sight right now. The federal government has declared these counties in California as part of that disaster area. And so what that means is that if you are a resident in one of these counties, or you have a business located in one of these counties, you get additional time to file the taxes for this year. Okay, so the IRS .gov website is continuously updating the notice to show what counties are affected. So I'll put a link to that below in the description. So if you want to check that out. The short answer here is the deadline has basically been moved by a month for individual and corporate filings, and then you get an extra 2 months for S corp and partnership returns. So obviously the first priority is make sure that you personally are safe. Take care of your friends, your family, your property. If you've got a business, take care of your business, take care of your employees, and then worry about all this tax filing stuff afterwards. But again, the deadline has been moved to May 15th automatically. So the March 15th deadline for the partnership and S corps, that's been automatically moved to May 15th. And the April 18th deadline for individual returns, corporate returns, and then the trust returns, that's also been moved to May 15th as well. Okay, so, and of course, you can always file extensions just like we would in any other year, right? So if you want to extend your personal return, file that 4868. Business returns, file the 7004, and then that'll give you an extra 6 months, well beyond the May 15th extended deadline. Now, obviously, once all the dust settles here, if you did have some, significant property damage, to the extent it's not covered by insurance, you can claim certain types of losses on your return. So for your 2023 return next year, if you have disaster losses, again, that haven't been recouped by insurance, Form 4684 is used to claim those kind of losses, if it qualifies, of course. So hope that was helpful. Again, obviously the priority here is to make sure that you're safe, take care of yourself and your families, and then move on to this kind of tax stuff. But the IRS has stepped up here and granted you an additional month on the personal returns, and then 2 months on those certain types of business filings. So, okay, so that covers it. Any questions about these, issues or the deadlines being moved? Feel free to leave me a comment below. Happy to answer as many of these questions as I can. And, I look forward to seeing you guys again on the next video. Thanks.